I'm just opening the Irish cream. If I'm gonna cook with it and bake with it, I think I should taste it and just make sure it's right. Just a little bit. Ooh, this is gonna be a good baking night tonight. Okay, now I feel the burn. That tastes so good. So here's my Irish cream coffee cake with Irish cream coffee buttercream and my little shamrocks. Clovers, shamrocks. I love Irish cream. It is sweet, it is creamy, it's rich and thick. I think a lot of people put Irish cream in their coffee. So that gave me my inspiration for today's recipe. I'm going to make an Irish cream coffee cake. And it's not a coffee cake. You know, the cakes that have no coffee in it that you eat with coffee? No, this is going to be a coffee cake. It's going to have coffee in it. And we're going to put a rich Irish cream buttercream on top. Welcome to the Fancy Cakery. Welcome to my channel. If you missed last week's video, you might want to go look at it. I used Guinness to make chocolate cupcakes. And this week we are continuing our March themed cupcakes, St. Patrick's Day. And I'm going to get as Irish as I can get, seeing that I'm not Irish. And I'm using Irish cream to make my cake today and my frosting. I still didn't have anyone telling me exactly what St. Patrick's Day is all about. I know Americans just drink, but I know it's more than that. Comment below and please tell me in your own words, what is St. Patrick's Day? Why do they celebrate it? And what do all the symbols mean? And do you have a special St. Patrick's Day sweet treat that you make at home? Anything interesting and different? Please comment below. I want to hear about it. And we got to get going because we have an Irish cream cake to make. I'm using St. Brendan's Irish cream. And I know you can buy Bailey's, but I ain't gonna lie, this was a little cheaper. So I went with this. And I actually found a video on YouTube. And I actually have more subscribers than these people, but I absolutely enjoyed this video. It was hilariously fun. And the channel is Alcohol Academy. And apparently they compare and they rate alcohol. So they did this was actually a 5-year-old video where they did an Irish cream face-off. And they compared St. Brendan's Irish cream, what I have, and Bailey's in a taste test, a blind taste test. And well, there was only 2 people, so, but the results might surprise you. You might want to check it out. I really enjoyed the video. So because I'm the most perfect planner in the world, I always take out my butter and it's nice and just the right temperature whenever I start any of my baking projects, which is an absolute lie. I never remember to take out the butter. I always put it in the microwave for 10 seconds at a time, but then I don't want it too soft. And then when I'm creaming my butter and my sugar, sometimes I say, it should have been just a little softer, and the sugar is still a little grainy because the butter's not quite as soft as I wanted it. And there's no cheat for that. Oh yes, there is. You get your handy dandy blow dryer and you put it right here next to the bowl, and while it's on high mixing, you just let that butter warm up just a little bit, and that sugar will just start to cream right into that butter, and it makes the process go way faster. That's my cheat tip of the day. I'm gonna now add 4 eggs, one at a time. What do I always say? Scrape down your bowl. If you remember nothing else in this world, scrape down your bowl. And you know how I test it. One day I'll buy a scale. One day, y'all, I'll grow up and be a real baker and buy a scale. So here's my Irish cream coffee cake with Irish cream coffee buttercream and my little shamrocks. Clovers, shamrocks. So join me next time in the Fancy Cakery, where we will come up with another sweet, delicious recipe. And whatever you do, don't stop baking.